Imagine staring into the darkest place in the universe, a place where light bends, time twists, and reality dissolves. Now imagine that instead of being a cosmic dead end, that darkness is a doorway, not to destruction, but to somewhere else. Another universe. A new cosmic realm. Today we're exploring one of the most mind-bending ideas in theoretical physics. What if black holes are actually portals to other universes? For decades, black holes were seen as the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaners. Regions so dense and powerful that not even light escapes their gravity. Fall in, and you're gone forever. But as our understanding grew, something stranger emerged. Black holes aren't just monsters, they are mysteries. They challenge our understanding of physics, time, and even existence. And some scientists now believe they may be the passageways between universes, gateways in a multiverse far beyond our imagination. To begin, let's picture the heart of a black hole, the singularity. It's a point where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Gravity becomes infinite. Space and time warp beyond recognition. But many physicists refuse to believe the universe ends in a mathematical glitch. Instead, they propose that the singularity could be a bridge, a wormhole, connecting our universe to another. When something falls into a black hole instead of being obliterated, what if it travels through this hidden tunnel and emerges somewhere else entirely? One of the biggest supporters of this idea was Stephen Hawking, who spent his life unlocking the secrets of black holes. He once suggested that black holes might not destroy information, but instead could store it and potentially release it into another universe. And this idea connects to a major puzzle in physics: the information paradox. If information can't be destroyed according to quantum theory, then black holes can't simply erase it. So where does it all go? The portal theory gives a radical answer. That information, or something like it, may pass through to a new universe, shaping its laws and conditions. Think about that. Right now, somewhere in the cosmos, a star may be collapsing into a black hole. And the energy, the matter, the quantum information from that star might be seeding a newborn universe on the other side. This means our own universe might have been born from a black hole in some other universe. In this cosmic family tree, black holes are parents, and universes are their children. Rather than isolated universes floating alone, reality could be an infinite chain of connected worlds, each one born from the collapse of the last. But here's where it gets wild. If black holes are portals, then what happens if someone, or something, passes through? Would you survive? Most scientists say no, at least not in the form we understand. The violent gravitational forces near the event horizon would stretch objects into spaghetti, literally a process called spaghettification. But theories like loop quantum gravity suggest that inside a black hole, gravity may rebound at the quantum level, creating a bounce, like a cosmic spring. Instead of infinite collapse, there could be a turnaround. The birth of a new universe. If consciousness or information ever found a way to ride that wave, that's the territory of sci-fi for now. Still, even if we can't physically travel through a black hole, the universe itself might. Let's think about the Big Bang for a second. Our universe exploded from an extremely dense point, just like the inside of a black hole. That similarity isn't coincidence. Some physicists believe the Big Bang wasn't the beginning of everything, but the continuation of something else. A baby universe emerging from a black hole parent. And if that's true, then everything, galaxies, life, you watching this video, could be the echo of a star that collapsed in an older universe long before ours existed. Now, this raises a profound question. If our universe came from another universe, could ours be building universes of its own right now through black holes? And what would those universes look like? Would they have the same laws of physics, the same chemistry, the same potential for life? Or would they be as alien to us as a four-dimensional world would be to a two-dimensional shadow? Here's the most mind-stretching part. If black holes are portals, then somewhere in the multiverse there may be universes shaped by different physics entirely. Gravity stronger or weaker, time flowing differently. strange matter forms, exotic life. Perhaps even civilizations born in dimensions we cannot perceive. And if some of those civilizations became advanced enough, could they find a way to intentionally create black hole universes of their own? So in the end, what does this theory mean for us? It means that black holes might not be cosmic cemeteries at all. They could be cosmic wombs. It means the universe could be larger, richer, and stranger than anything we've ever imagined. It means that every black hole in the night sky is not the end, but a beginning. A doorway to a place beyond our cosmic horizon. A window into infinite possibilities. And while we may never cross that threshold ourselves, just knowing it might exist changes everything. Because if black holes are portals to other universes, then our universe is not alone. We are part of a cosmic cycle, a grand, eternal multiverse where every beginning is born from an end. So, next time you look up and see the stars, remember, hidden among them may be gates to unimaginable worlds. And maybe, somewhere out there, someone else is looking up at their night sky, wondering if their universe was born from ours. If this blew your mind, drop a like. Make sure you're subscribed and tell me in the comments. If black holes really are portals, do you think we should ever try to send something through one? Or should some doors remain closed forever?